Hey guys, so what we're gonna do is, well, obviously we're doing a hair tutorial. So I just washed my hair. I used the Tresemme brand, and now I'm just taking Aunt Jackie's Quench leave-in conditioner. This stuff works wonders for my hair. Makes it feel like butter. Like, it is amazing. And I also put some in a spray bottle with some warm water. We will need some Eco Styler gel. So all I did was just section off my hair, and I'm just doing, like, what is this, like the shingling method? I'm not sure, but you see I'm just raking the gel right in my hair. If your hair becomes dry in between, you doing this, just wet it a little bit more with that spray bottle and that leave-in conditioner, and yeah, just wet it up. And if it's still feeling a little rough, because some patches were a little rough, I had to go in with the leave-in conditioner directly. And that's all. You're just going to keep doing this method until you finish your whole head. This took me about, I want to say, 45 minutes to an hour to do my entire head. It could have taken a shorter amount of time, but I was listening to music, I was talking on the phone, so yeah. But yeah, that's all I do with my hair. And then I am gonna go in with a diffuser and diffuse my hair, because my hair takes about 2 days to air dry completely. So I try to fasten up that process with the diffuser. I do put it on cool sometimes. I also put it on warm sometimes. So it just depends on what you want to do with your hair. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I'm gonna start doing more tutorials with my hair, but this is like my first one. I just started rocking my hair, if y'all haven't realized it. But yeah, I hope you guys like this tutorial, and I see you on the next one. Later.